Hi quilters, welcome to Bolts of Fun. Here we are at home and we're just going to try to have a little fun here. Today I want to show you a few new things and talk about our bundles because they are pretty popular. Anyway, the quilt that's behind me right here, my sweet Mary from the quilt shop made it, and it is called Honor, and it's a Villa Rosa pattern. You can see it here. It's ends up being 57 by 76. That's not bad. Not a bad size. And you can see how it has a large focal print dead center and then smaller accent ones on the borders above and below it. It's a nice pattern out of 5 yards and it went together really well. Mary said it was quite simple to do and I like the looks of it. And it's kind of pretty. Anyway, so what I did today was I actually brought out the 5-yard bundles that would look great with this pattern because of their larger print and then the nice accents that would go with it. This one, for any of you quilters who love those big floral prints, especially like anything that looks sunflower. And then there's some solids, and these Urban Legends are by Blank. This is a fabric that I just love. They go well with Ginny Beyer fabrics. Just real rich colors, and they look kind of watermarked, so that makes them even more neat. These bundles, of course, are $55 a piece, and you'd get a free pattern for the Honor if that's what you like the looks of. Otherwise, we have our other free patterns that go with our 5-yard bundles. So all of these would be that same price point, $55, and depending on if you like something that is a traveling theme, with the shoes and suitcases and radios, and it's kind of cool. There's everything from African people with baskets on their heads to camels, and there's elephants on here and giraffes. Kind of fun. So, and then these more modern ones, for anybody who likes that feel of that more modern look, this is a pretty cool one too. This would be gorgeous. This is big roses and big soft, I was going to say mosquitoes. No, not mosquitoes, butterflies. And here's a smaller print that is butterflies also, and then the accent fabrics that go with it. Very soft, springy, real attractive. This one is a more bold look, but yet it's really pretty too. This would be really well done in that Honor pattern. This one is Tula Pink, and of course this is these wild, crazy flowers and kind of foresty with funny berries and cool little raccoons. And then there's some nice accent pieces to go with that. Anybody who loves those fish and fish bowls, so there's your fish bowls and cats. Here's the cats. The silhouettes of 2 different size cats are the same size cats, but one is on a black background and one's on a white background. So that would be pretty striking with that too. Anybody who loves music, this is all the instruments and the music notes. Very rich looking set. This one is beautiful for that black with the gold embossing on it. And there's 2 grunge pieces in here and 2 folio pieces. So a nice variety again. And this one is the quilt that we have in a 5-yard bundle over the window over there, and it has the elephants and then just these beautiful filigrees and soft ones. That'd be beautiful in the big panels on that quilt on Honor. So just some things for you to keep in mind, and you can message us through this Facebook, through this ad, and you can also call us at 715-773-0652 or 715-773-0018. And please have a So Beautiful.